Hey guys, myself here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you guys my top favorite widgets that are utilities for your iPhone. Now, if you haven't updated to iOS 14, Apple has added the new widgets, which allows you to customize your iPhones in different ways. And in this video, as I mentioned, I'm going to share my favorite utility widgets for the home screen. So let's begin. Of course, links will be in the description for everything. Now, the first widget I want to share with you guys is called Favorites. Now, Favorites allows you to add your favorite contacts to the home screen to quickly text or call. So I'm going to show you right here. It is so Favorites, and you can select from different sizes. Of course, you have the smaller, medium, and then large. I'm going to set the medium here just to show you what it looks like. Click done, and then you can edit your widget. So tap and hold and edit the widget to add the context that you want. So you can click in here, go ahead and add the context right here. Just select from your contacts. You have to allow, of course, the application to have access to your contacts on your iPhone, and you can further customize this widget by actually going to the application itself. So there it is. I can choose rather text or phone call these contacts here, and as I mentioned, you can go into the application and select your contacts and further customize the widget. So choose if you wanted to text someone or actually make a phone call. As you can see right there, you can change the background, the color, etc. So Favorites is one of my favorite widgets for iOS 14. Next up is going to be Google. And yes, Google app has been in the App Store for quite some time, but it's been updated recently to support the new widget system in iOS 14. Now, having Google on the home screen of iPhone is definitely an advantage. Here it is, the application right there on the list. Go ahead and select from two different sizes. You have small or medium. I'm going to go ahead and select the medium one here, and you have several options to choose from. Right here on the home screen, you have your Google search, which will take you, of course, directly to Google search. Then you also have Google Lens. This one allows you to identify objects by simply scanning them with the Google application, which is an awesome feature to have on the home screen. You also have Google search by voice and incognito, which allows you to browse privately on the internet. So having Google as your home screen widget is definitely one of my favorite ones in iOS 14 as well. Next up is a weather widget, which I'm really starting to like, which allows you to see the entire weather forecast directly on the home screen of iPhone. Once again, let's go into edit mode here to add a new widget. And this one is called Hey Weather, and it gives you different sizes, as you already know, to choose from. You have the small, you have medium, and then you have a large size. So go ahead and select the one you want, bring it to the home screen, and of course you can further customize this one in the application as well. So go to Hey Weather here, and you can choose from different backgrounds, different colors for your widgets. Here it is. So let's say I want this one here. You can choose any color here for the background. Some of these colors are premium, so you have to purchase the premium, but all three here in the first row are free, so you can select all three colors like that, and also change the actual clouds and how they look and the animations as well. Once you're ready, you can add it to the home screen of your iPhone, and it gives you the weather, the conditions, and it will use your location to actually provide the weather for you. So if you're traveling, you don't have to change it. It will actually change for you. So Hey Weather is definitely an awesome widget to also have on the home screen of your iPhone. And last but not least, I want to talk about a widget that allows you to see your calendar and the actual battery percentage of your iPhone directly on the home screen. So let's go into edit mode, and this one is called Date Today. Now this one is going to allow you, as I mentioned, to have several things on your home screen. You can choose different size. If you choose the small one, you can only see the date and the month and things like that. The medium one allows you to have the date plus the time, and then you have a bigger one that shows the calendar with date and time as well. But you also have a second or third list of widgets that you can choose from. For example, this smaller one here shows the date, a phrase that you choose, and the battery percentage. The medium one as well, just a slightly larger version of that, and you have up to 5 to choose from. So this one is my favorite here. This one here allows you to see the battery percentage directly on the home screen of iPhone. So if you have a Face ID device where you can't really tell what the percentage is, this one comes in handy. You also have a custom phrase that you can place on the bottom of the screen, as you see there, and the date and time is also displayed as well, which is of course very useful as well. So those are my favorite utility widgets in iOS 14. Let me know in the comments down below if you're using a particular widget. Maybe I'll try it out and feature it on the next episode. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.